Alright, in this video we're going to go over finding and replacing text. We've still got the social media project open from the previous two examples. The find and replace feature is going to let us find different words to see if we've maybe overused them, as well as replace all occurrences of a word if you want to do that in a document. For example, in a minute I'll show you when we find a word, it'll show you how many times that was used, and then we can it'll give us a count of that. So to begin with, we're going to go up to the home button, and we're going to go on the editing group, which is right over here as you can see, edit, and click on find, and it's going to pull up a navigation pane here, and it's going to ask what we want to find. So we're going to type in here, this is step 4 on page 164, we're going to type in social bookmarking. And you'll see that when you finish typing, it highlights every occurrence of social bookmarking, and it'll also tell you here there's 6 results, as well as give you where you can click to highlight the exact one that where it occurs. To close the navigation pane, we're just going to click this little X right here, and it'll go back to our document. It does leave the last one you had selected in the results pane highlighted, so we're going to click back at the very first, and now we're going to go to the replace dialog box. So in the editing group again, we're going to click on replace, and it's going to say what do we want to find and what do we want to replace it with. So instead of social bookmarking, we're going to look for bookmarklet. And in the replace, we're going to replace that with the bookmark button. This is step 10 on page 165 of your book. We're going to actually spell bookmark correct though. And then we're going to tap on the replace all button. And what this is going to do is go find every occurrence of bookmarklet and replace it with the 2 words of bookmark button. And it'll also tell us we've done it twice, made 2 replacements, so click OK. And close that, and now every instance of bookmarklet in our document is replaced with bookmark button. That is it for finding and replacing in Word. The next video is going to go over moving text and inserting bullets and numbering, and please do not forget that you still need to read the chapters. There's still plenty of margin information as well as definitions that you need to be sure to know.